In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take an affiliate link from companies like Amazon, B&H, Best Buy, wherever, and turn that into a custom URL quickly and easily in Kajabi at no extra cost, no third-party services with additional fees, so that you can use your branding on YouTube or Instagram or wherever you wish to put an affiliate link. Let's get started right now. Hey folks, I'm Todd.LIVE, and I've been running a website to promote my brand and business for a few years, and I've done it entirely within Kajabi. When I got started on Kajabi, I hired somebody to build my website. They did a beautiful job, but in the end, I had to maintain it, and I wanted to do changes, and I didn't want to have somebody help me with all those changes, and I've learned a lot about Kajabi through the years. And one of the things that I really like to do is have my own custom URL, which is www.todd.live. And I wanted that to be a part of my affiliate link so that if I recommend a camera on YouTube, instead of sending somebody to this crazy Amazon link, I have a quick and easy to read, easy to understand short link that takes people from YouTube or Instagram right over to Amazon through my Kajabi page so that they can look at and possibly purchase something that I've recommended so that I can collect a commission later on. A lot of social media companies and even the companies that give you affiliate links themselves would prefer it if you mask the link, because usually the link that the companies give you is some crazy big long link with lots of letters and numbers. It's like kind of like a code, right, to that exact product, linking it to you as an affiliate. But they would prefer it, social media companies would prefer it, the affiliate companies would prefer it, and so would your audience prefer it if that link is shortened up and made nice and tidy and clean, and even with your own branding, with your own website in there. And that's what I've been doing on Kajabi for a few years. I'm going to show you how you can do that today within Kajabi for your own brand or business and your own affiliate links. Generally, I teach video, live video, and recorded video and how-tos, but I'm gonna dabble a little bit in Kajabi. So if you're a Kajabi user and this is something that you're going to wanna learn more about, is how to do things in Kajabi, I am going to trickle out a lot of little Kajabi videos here and there. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell if you wanna be notified when new videos come up. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is have a link to send people to from an affiliate, okay? We're gonna kind of focus on the affiliate. So I am an affiliate at Amazon. I send people over to Amazon to buy things like cameras and lenses and things that I recommend. And Amazon gives me this crazy long link. So it's nice to take the links they give you, crunch them down into something reasonable, and use that as the link. Now, within Kajabi, that's exactly what we're going to do. And for purposes of this video, I've already done a little bit of the work. I've already gone over to Amazon and gotten an affiliate link, and I've already got the code that we're going to use in Kajabi to make it so that when somebody clicks a link, let's say on YouTube, they're actually going to go to my website, but then the website's going to refer them over to Amazon, okay? So it's not a direct route to Amazon. They kind of bounce through the website really fast and get over to Amazon to the exact page that I want to send them to. So again, for purposes of this video, I've created a Google document. I've got all the code, I've got the URL so that we can do this quickly and easily. So take a look at the screen here. First of all, at the top, you see 404 redirect code. This is a specific code that when people go to your web page, the web page that we're going to create in a minute, they are automatically routed to the Amazon page. They won't actually stay on the page. It's a redirect code, okay? It's kind of like you come up to an intersection and you're about to cross it and it kind of pushes you in another direction. Even though you think you're going straight, you're kind of going off to the side. But the thing is that people know they're clicking the link, let's say for a camera, and the website, Kajabi website that I have, is going to direct them to that camera on Amazon. So they're going where they intended to go. They're just kind of going in a quick roundabout way. So at the top, you see the 404 redirect code, and at the bottom, you see the affiliate link code. The affiliate link code is actually an Amazon code that they gave me for a Sony a6400 camera, which is what I'm using to create this video, and an 18 to 135 millimeter zoom lens, which is one of my favorite lenses for this camera. This is a link that I use often, but if you look at that Amazon link is long, it's crazy, there's a lot going on there. And in the 404 redirect code, you can see in there, there is an Amazon code already. In fact, this is a code from another Amazon affiliate item that I have sent people to. In fact, I think it is the 18 to 135 millimeter lens with the A6400 camera by Sony. That is the exact code within the website that when you go to that page, it's going to redirect you to the Amazon page, okay? That 404 redirect code. And this is the Amazon snippet that's relevant. So if you look at this big, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. If you look at this big affiliate link code that Amazon gives you, this thing, you're not going to post that in a YouTube description. You're not going to put that in an Instagram description, okay? You're going to put something more along the lines of www.todd.live/pages/Sony camera 6500, we'll say. Okay, so which of these three links do you think people are going to want to click to? Which of these three links do you think is going to look better in your YouTube video description or in your Instagram description? It's this code, right? It's a short, quick, easy to read. People know what they're getting when they're going there. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go over to Kajabi and we're going to go up to the Kajabi Assistant, okay? So there's not anywhere in the menu over here on the left, and there's not anywhere in this menu that says static pages, but we have to create a static page, okay? So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to type in static pages into the Kajabi Assistant. And if you look at the admin, it says static pages. It'll come right up. And when we jump to static pages, you will see this is a long list of affiliate links that I've created for all sorts of things. I've got lead magnet links. I've got all sorts of things going on here. But what we're going to want to do for the purposes of this video is create a new page. So we're going to click the blue button on the top right, and we have static pages, new page. So we're going to want to give this a title. So I'm going to call it Sony A6400 with a, oh look, it's going to autofill. And then I'm just going to put example. Since it's the video, obviously I've already done one of these. I'm not going to put anything in the content at all. I'm going to come down here to the custom URL and it says Todd.LIVE pages. What was that link we made at the 404 redirect? We didn't need that. We have Sony camera A6500. So that's what I'm going to do. Sony camera A6500. So if you look here, we have the Todd.LIVE/pages and then slash, and then Sony camera A6500. So that's the customized part along with the Todd.LIVE. You can't get rid of the pages on Kajabi. I wish you could, but you have to have the word pages in there to use the static pages in this format. In doing 404 redirects like this, the word pages has to be there. There's no way to take that out. So this is very important right here, link list. If you leave it on main menu, when you have a menu on your home page or on your blog page, this word up here, or these words, might show up on some of your pages. We don't want that to happen. So we're gonna go down here to link list and we're gonna put none, do not add. That way it's not in any menus. And then you can ignore page title, page description, page image. None of this other stuff matters. And you can save your work just like that, okay? Successfully created the page, okay? So I'm gonna go back to my static pages up on the top left, and you can see here at the very top is Sony A6400 with the 18 to 135 millimeter lens example. You can edit the page, which takes you right back to where we were. You can preview the page if you'd like. I'm not gonna do either. I'm just gonna go back into the page, but I'm not going to do my URL work here. I have the page set up on Google Docs. Whatever document system or platform you use, you can do this right within that. I use Google Pages. It just is easy and I can access it on all my computers. And I keep the 404 redirect code ready to go. I title it at the top so I can find it in my list, and I keep that code right there, okay? This is what tells the browser when somebody clicks your link, they go to your website and then they go on to Amazon. So for the purposes of this video, even though this is correct, and I could use this, I'm gonna show you what you need to do. So we're gonna get rid of this code. This is the code from Amazon, okay? But it's not all the code from Amazon. Back when I created this code from Amazon before, it actually looked like this, okay? The big affiliate link code. But there's only a portion of this entire thing that you need for the 404 redirect. So we're gonna get rid of this. It's all inside quotes, which makes it very easy. And I'm gonna get rid of that code. And if you notice, there's 2 quotes there where that cursor is blinking, okay? That's where we're going to insert the affiliate code that we need to create this 404 redirect and to create your affiliate link and your custom code. So we're going to find the code in Amazon that's between the 2 quotes. That's all we need, okay? The HTTPS, it's always gonna start with that. And we're gonna go all the way to the next quotation, and that's what I've copied there. And then I'm going to go up between those 2 quotes up above, and I'm gonna select paste. Boom, okay? That's your 404 redirect. We're gonna copy that with no extra. We don't wanna collect any from the bottom. We don't wanna collect any from the top. We want exactly the code that we need, nothing more. And we're gonna copy that. Copy, boom. We're gonna go back to Kajabi. We're going to go to the source code, okay? This is there's a little bit of coding here, but you don't realize you're doing coding. So if you don't know coding, this is super easy for you to do because I don't know coding myself. But I'm gonna go to source code and there's nothing there, okay? And I'm going to paste that code, that modified code there, and click OK. Then I'm going to save it. Boom, it is finished. You have created the code. So let's open a new tab. Watch how fast this works. Right to the camera, a quick redirect. So this way, when you want to send people to an affiliate link, you're not giving them some big giant obnoxious code, and you're not breaking any rules over at YouTube. You're not breaking any rules over at Amazon or Best Buy or wherever. You are using a simple code, nothing more, and it sends people right to where they need to go. And again, there are other services out there like Bitly that make this an easier task than what we did here. But you have to pay for those services, and then you have another platform you have to deal with, and you have to visit and go to and maintain and monitor, and you can do it all right here in Kajabi. If you're a Kajabi user and you're already paying to be a user of Kajabi, and that's a lot of money, your website's there, you can do this, and it makes it really nice. So again, if you like this kind of video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell, you'll be notified when new videos come out. Leave a comment below if you have any thoughts on this video. Reach out, say hi to me. Todd.LIVE is my website, and I encourage you to visit it if you want to learn more about video and content creation. Folks, I'll talk to you in the next video.